Welcome to the Melly
and Shally show.
The show where we unpack the Liqui Moly range, one product at a time, and in today's show, one batch of products at a time.
So today's products focus will be our GUNTEC range. This is a new exclusive GUNTEC range that we actually brought into SA, and what amazing products. So we could cover on what are the differences and how to use it.
So please just note, in this Melly and Shally, we're not going to go into too much detail of exactly every product, how would you use it, what makes it different, because every gun manufacturer has a different requirement of how the rifle needs to be cleaned. So we are just going to quickly show you the 4 different products that's part of the Liqui Moly gun range, and just a little bit touch on what kind of application that is. So Shally, if we can start, so the 4 products, just in short, it will be your silencer cleaner, so the GUNTEC silencer cleaner. This does not work on anybody that you want to silence, it's specifically for gun silence cleaners. Then we have the multi-spray, which has got the same packaging as with the LM40 and a number of the Pro line, meaning that you can have a very specific application and also a little bit more wide. Then we have our gun oil and also the GUNTEC Grease. So Shally, quickly, you have a gun here on the table, just a little bit of a short idea for everybody watching. Where would you use these different products in when you are cleaning or maintaining your rifle, and all kind of rifles? I mean, some I know it's if you have a gun fetish, you have so many different types, and the cleaning process is very unique. So if you can just give us an idea.
Perfect, thanks Mel. So based on a weapon treatment itself, a lot of guys like to go hunting, but afterwards it's so crucial to maintain that gun, not only because of the residues that accumulate within the chamber, but also being able to ensure there's no additional wear and corrosion that happens with the gun. So these products are specifically focused for wear and corrosion, and as Mel mentioned, based on the manufacturer requirements on how to lubricate the gun. So say for instance it's a Beretta or it's a ZT. So based on those gun requirements, you have different lubricants that you are allowed to use. Please take note that these does not include your solvents, because I know solvents are also a special case when it comes to cleaning the guns, but I'm really going to touch on a few aspects. So essential to gun cleaning, we have a gun cleaning oil. So this oil, like I mentioned, is a high viscosity oil and is very adherent. Where would you use this is on your chamber, where your chamber is, as well as the rifle barrel. That is a treatment you can actually do on this specifically on a gun as well. Please just note that after you use this oil, you must wipe off the excess and before you shoot it. Otherwise, you'll have a face full of oil.
We don't want that. We also don't take responsibility for that.
Yeah, so the oil is a very, very conservative and very old formulation as well. So this is our new range, but oil is very basic, as most gun lovers understand how to apply oils. What makes our range very special is the other additional packages or products we have available. So I'm going to cover on the GUNTEC spray. So based on the spray itself, the nice thing about it is so difficult to access all the mechanical components on the gun itself. And with this, it has amazing creeping properties, being able to access those little triggers and those little mechanisms that form part of the gun's mechanisms. Also, one benefit of this spray is it contains PTFE. So PTFE is a solid friction modifier, which we covered in the previous shows, but also very nice thing is it's got a very low coefficient of friction. So if you have additional wear on the gun, this is a product that you seriously can consider applying to whatever, be a rifle or a basic handgun. Right, so when it comes to the grease itself, as I mentioned, manufacturers require different specifications of lubricants, but on the grease itself, on all your hinge points, it is very important that you use the grease. This grease formulation of ours also contains ceramic. So as we know, ceramic is also a high temperature solid friction modifier, which can withstand the critical components where they start wearing out. So these are the lubricants from the range we currently keep. When it comes to the silencer cleaner, so silencer cleaner is quite unique to our range, and you would not find it in other competitors' range. So this is quite a unique product. This is a surfactant, so I'm not swearing, but it's actually just a cleaning agent.
You say that.
It's actually just a cleaning agent. So how would you actually use this is quite simple. You'll remove your silencer barrel. You'll close the one end and actually pour the product into into the silencer itself. You'll give it a nice rinse, and once you are done, it's going to release all the combustion residues that accumulate from the muzzle velocity. So all those black substances that actually accumulate in the silencer, and I know there's a lot of guys complaining they're not sure how to clean it or what product to use. So amazing new product in our range and so simple to use. Once you're done with this, so you rinse it out, just give it a thorough rinse with nice water, just to make sure all the components and accumulation of dirt are actually being removed as well.
So Shally, since the GUNTEC has been launched, or the new rebranding and the new products, it's been very, very popular. So also what we've done is we've made a little bit of a package, seeing that it's birthdays and Father's Days and Christmas is also coming up. If you buy the set of 4 products, you will get the pair of GUNTEC socks. It's got the nice GUNTEC logo and a lot of different rifles on it and guns. And you'll also get the very unique limited edition GUNTEC cap. These two together are worth more than 400 Rand. You'll get that for free when you buy the complete package. So quite a nice gift idea. And one of the things I always know when we're at Nampo and we have quite a lot of inquiries on the GUNTEC range, the first question I ask is, how do you clean your gun? The same as a bicycle, same as a motorcycle, same as a car. If you just look at it and splash it with water and put it away or put a little bit of lubricant on it, then we have products for that as well. But this is the range to be able to make sure if you take your gun apart and really fanatic about how cleaning it before you're putting it away, this range will make sure that you can be able to take care of the range that way. One of the other requests in the gun range that we have received is, do we sell the MOS2 molybdenum disulfide friction modifier on its own? Because a lot of guys love to dip their bullets in it. Unfortunately, we don't. But the GUNTEC range, with the technology and the research that has been done, is really a unique range. If there's any questions that you have, anything you would like to know, please let our technical team know. And also, every single product has the barcode. So if you want to find out more information, just scan the barcode of every single product on the app, and it'll make sure it goes to the technical data sheet. It'll help you to know any additional information on the GUNTEC range.
Cool. So our specialized range available to you in SA now, and looking forward to see how we can help.
So the Liqui Moly GunTec range. Thank you for watching the Melly
and Shally show.